Introduction and facts about Region 10, also known as Northern Mindanao, is one of the 17 administrative regions of the Philippines, located in the northern part of Mindanao. It is known for its rich natural resources, vibrant culture, and diverse communities.
Attractions and activities in Region 10. Number 1. In Bukidnon. The Hilayan Adventure Park is known for its various thrilling rides and attractions, including Asia's longest dual zip line. It offers a mix of adventure and scenic views, making it a popular destination for tourists. Number 2. Camiguin. White Island is a picturesque sandbar with the majestic Mount Hibok-Hibok as its backdrop. It's perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and enjoying the stunning views, making it a must-visit spot in Camiguin. Number 3. Lanao del Norte. Maria Cristina Falls is a significant waterfall that serves as a major source of hydroelectric power. Its natural beauty and importance as a power of source make it a notable tourist attraction. Number 4 is Misamis Occidental. Mount Malindang is a protected mountain range known for its rich biodiversity and scenic landscapes. It's a great place for hiking, bird watching, and enjoying nature, attracting eco-tourists and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 5 is Misamis Oriental. Seven Seas Water Park and Resort is a pirate-themed water park that offers a variety of pools, slides, and attractions.
Now let's move on in their delicacies. In Bukidnon, they had kiping. Kiping is a thin, crispy rice wafer made from rice flour, sugar, and water. It's often used as a decorative piece during the Kaamulan Festival, a cultural event in Bukidnon that celebrates the province's indigenous heritage. Kiping symbolizes the province's agricultural abundance, especially rice, and is often associated with community and festivals. In Camiguin, they had binaki. Binaki is a sweet corn delicacy made from corn kernels, sugar, and sometimes coconut milk, wrapped in a corn husk and steamed. It is soft, sweet, and often enjoyed as snack or dessert. This delicacy highlights Camiguin's agricultural richness, particularly its fertile volcanic soil, perfect for growing corn, and is often served during festivals like the Lanzones Festival. In Lanao del Norte, they had pinyagang manok, a traditional Maranao dish made of chicken cooked with coconut milk, turmeric, garlic, and other spices, then grilled. The dish has a rich aromatic flavor. Pinyagang manok reflects the Maranao culture, utilizing local spices and coconuts. It's often served at special occasions and symbolizes the warm hospitality of Maranao people. In Misamis Occidental, they had kalamay. Kalamay is a sticky, sweet treat made from glutinous rice, brown sugar, and coconut milk, often wrapped in banana leaves and steamed. It has a smooth, chewy texture and is a popular dessert. Kalamay is a symbol of prosperity and is commonly prepared for celebrations, especially during festivals or family gatherings in Misamis Occidental. In Misamis Oriental, they had sinuglaw. Sinuglaw is a fusion dish of grilled pork or sinugba and raw fish, ceviche, or kinilaw. mixed with vinegar, onions, and chili. It's a tangy, spicy appetizer often served in social gatherings. The combination of grilled meat and fresh fish reflects the region's coastal resources and agricultural products. It's a festive dish often enjoyed in gatherings and celebrations.
Region 10, or Northern Mindanao in the Philippines, is known for its vibrant and diverse festival and special events. Kaamulan Festival, Bukidnon. The Kaamulan Festival in Bukidnon celebrates the cultural traditions of 7 tribal groups, highlighting their rituals and thanksgiving for a successful harvest from February to March 10. Lanzones Festival, Camiguin. The annual Thanksgiving celebration in Mambadjao, Philippines celebrates the abundance of lanzones fruit, featuring street dancing, parades, exhibits, and pageants during the third week of October. Sagayan Festival, Lanao del Norte. Sagayan Festival, a war dance celebration showcasing Maranao cultural and history. Misamis Occidental. Host cultural festivals like Subayan, Kegsubanon Festival in Ozamis City and Shrine of the Holy Cross Festival in Sapang Dalaga, attracting travelers. Kuya Miss Festival, Misamis Oriental. The Kokon Festival, celebrated in the second week of January, features street dancing and cultural performances, showcasing the rich cultural heritage and traditions of Northern Mindanao.